On April 2nd, 2024, regions in Saudi Arabia experienced extreme weather as heavy rain and hailstorms struck, particularly the capital Riyadh, which faced severe flooding. The Civil Defense Authority issued warnings, urging people to stay vigilant, seek safe shelter, and avoid high-risk flood areas. To ensure safety, citizens were advised to closely monitor announcements through the media and social media, with poor weather conditions expected to continue from April 3rd until the following Saturday, affecting most of the kingdom's areas.
هذا ما يحدث اليوم في الروضة الموافق 27
الطارة ما يبدأ جنوب حائل 20 كيلو تقريبا صار غزير.
The Makkah al-Mukarrara region is expected to be severely affected with moderate to heavy rain, hail, and strong winds causing widespread dust and sandstorms, not just in the western holy sites. Areas such as Medina, al-Murawara, and Qasim also recorded light to moderate weather, while Tabuk and Al-Jaf experienced dense fog. Some reports indicate that the surface flow in the Red Sea moves from northeast to northwest at varying speeds, facilitating the formation of rain clouds, especially in the south and central areas towards the Bab al-Mandab Strait. Sea conditions are expected to vary from light to heavy waves with the appearance of thunderclouds. In the Arabian Gulf region, the surface wind flow moves from northwest to west, leading to the formation of thunderclouds and rain clouds with the warnings of waves possibly rising above 2 meters. The public is called upon to exercise caution in the coming days as thunderstorms and hail are forecasted to affect some areas until the end of April 6th. The Civil Defense Authority advises people not to swim in vulnerable areas and to follow official advice issued through the media and social media. Previously, on April 1, 2024, the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia also experienced a bout of extreme weather with intense heavy rainfall and hail, significantly impacting most urban areas from early Sunday morning. The southern regions of the country, including Aba, Khamis Mushe, Rijal Alma, Al-Asi, and Tanoma, recorded significantly high levels of rainfall. Due to the prolonged heavy rain, flooding occurred in the areas such as Balar, Mahali, El-Ar, Sarat, El Amwa, and Bisha, causing severe damage to infrastructure and local communities. The accumulation of hail made many main roads and highways impassable, complicating travel and forcing authorities to quickly deploy work crews and rescue personnel to address the situation, aiming to restore the traffic order as soon as possible.
هذا ما عنده صعيبة ما شاء الله.
Notably, the area of Aba, along with the provinces of Alis and Toma, experienced unusual conditions with landscapes blanketed in snow and temperatures dropping below 10 degrees Celsius in some high-altitude areas like Oloda. The abundant rainfall also caused water to overflow valleys, flooding many farms and low-lying areas, affecting the daily life and agricultural production of its inhabitants. After the rain, 15 dams in the Alba region overflowed due to the high water levels exceeding their storage capacity. Among these, the Al Wada Dam and the Alha and the Al Quiq Dam in the Al Quiq province have storage capacities of 100,000 cubic meters each. The total storage capacity of the dams in this region reached a significant level, with the AIC Dam having a capacity of up to 19 million cubic meters and the Trad Dam with 14 million cubic meters, and the Jar Dam holding 344,000 cubic meters. Other dams like Madis and Daga also have large capacities, holding 1.5 and 1.4 million cubic meters, respectively. The climate monitoring station of the Al Quiq Dam recorded rainfall reaching 78.8 millimeters just after the Bani Mar Center in the Alamos region, which had the highest rainfall of 80.6 millimeters. The Albaha province authorities have called on the police and civil defense units to intensify safety measures for the population and provide emergency support if needed. Residents are advised to be extremely cautious when moving in bad weather and to stay away from the high-risk areas. Landslides occurred in several areas, including Baja and Al-Baha, forcing the transportation authorities to close affected roads and take remedial action. Additionally, the floods damaged many vehicles and infrastructure, particularly due to the broken power poles, requiring significant intervention from the relevant authorities to ensure safety and support rescue efforts. The National Meteorological Center forecasts that heavy rain will continue to affect the entire kingdom until Saturday, with poor weather conditions impacting areas such as Al-Baha, Makkah, Al-Haramain, and Medina. Frequency and severity of natural disasters are on the rise. In this context, the year 2024 presents new challenges that we need to be ready to face. We would love to hear your thoughts. What do you think we can do to mitigate the impacts of these changes? And what is your opinion on the viewpoint that these natural events are a form of punishment from nature? Please share your thoughts in the comment section below the video. To stay informed in the continuous flow of information, follow our channel for the timely updates on severe weather conditions and climate fluctuations worldwide. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. Activate notifications by clicking the bell icon, and you will always be informed about the unpredictable natural events happening around the globe.
The recent floods in India have brought one of the worst natural disasters in history. Prolonged heavy rainfall over a wide area caused severe flooding and landslides in the northern states. The estimated number of casualties is over 50 people who have lost their lives and tens of people who are still missing. The states of Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand were the worst affected areas. The bridge under construction collapsed for the second time in a year, leaving one person reported missing. Local residents said the bridge had collapsed once earlier this year, but there was no attention paid to the construction, with strong tremors like an explosion as the incident happened. On August 23rd, a major landslide occurred in Himachal Pradesh, killing over 10 people, trapping 82 and damaging 121 houses. Thousands of vehicles were washed away, many buildings and bridges destroyed. Power and communication lines were disrupted. In many places, the transportation system was completely paralyzed. Numerous videos shared on social media depict a horrifying scene of flooding with streets submerged in water. In October, an extended period of heavy flooding, accompanied by devastating landslides, resulted in a sweeping away of roads and homes in India and Nepal, claiming over 100 lives. Torrential rains resembling a deluge washed away vehicles, destroyed buildings, and caused bridges to collapse in Himachal Pradesh, the worst affected state. The capital, New Delhi, was also placed on a high flood alert as the Yamuna River flowed through this metropolis at its highest level since 1978. Waterways inundated houses along the riverbanks, and Minister Arvind Kejriwal stated that water levels were expected to rise even further. The President of India extended condolences to the victims, emphasizing the necessity for more effective natural disaster management strategy to minimize harm to the people. In your opinion, what are the reasons that natural disasters cause such significant damage in India? Please share your knowledge in the comments below so that we can have an accurate answer. Experts warn that the frequency and intensity of floods and landslides are increasing due to climate change. Last July, over 100 people lost their lives in a record-breaking monsoon in the northern region. The primary cause of this disaster is early and unusually strong arrival of the monsoon.
Oh my gosh. Oh boy. Oh man. Oh. Oh, not good.
Oh, our tree's gone! We lost 2 trees! Our front yard is gone.
The monsoon season in the northern region typically extends from June to September and is vital for agriculture. However, heavy rainfall often leads to severe floods and landslides. The monsoon brings approximately 80% of the annual rainfall to South Asia, making it crucial for both agriculture and livelihoods of the millions of farmers. However, it is also bringing devastation in the forms of landslides and floods every year. Melting glaciers contribute to the increased water volume, and uncontrolled construction in flood-prone areas exacerbates the damage. The amount of rainfall is difficult to predict and has significantly varied, but scientists suggest that climate change is making the monsoon stronger and more erratic. Many experts warn that the consequences of this disaster will extend for several months. Thousands of homes have been completely destroyed, and in the essential infrastructure like roads, bridges, and power stations have suffered severe damage, with estimates indicating that it will take months to repair. This has made life extremely challenging for the affected population. The National Disaster Response Force has been deployed to rescue and assist 110 individuals stranded in low-lying areas. Due to the dire weather conditions, 30 people were trapped on a small island in the Nadan River after 2 days of heavy rain. Nagpur was battered on Saturday, with flooding occurring in many parts of the city. According to city reports, over 100 millimeters of rain was received within a 4-hour period, prompting the closure of schools and colleges as precautionary measures. Water also inundated the Nagpur railway tracks and railway station, and some city buses parked at the city bus depot were also submerged. Currently, emergency rescue and relief operations are being urgently carried out by the government and security forces. Over 9,000 individuals have been evacuated from high-risk areas. The National Disaster Response Force has rescued hundreds of people stranded while providing essential supplies and medical care. However, there are concerns among many experts regarding the shortcomings in the rescue efforts. Modern equipment and experienced personnel are lacking, leading to high casualty rate. The early warning system for natural disasters is considered inadequate, leaving the population with insufficient time to prepare. Many experts argue that there is a need for a comprehensive long-term flood risk management strategy. The government should invest resources to enhance disaster response capabilities, construct flood prevention infrastructure, and improve early warning systems. Simultaneously, there should be an increased community awareness of disaster preparedness and relocation of people from high-risk areas. To protect yourself and your loved ones, it's important to regularly stay updated on weather information and the risks associated with natural disasters. Himalayan region serves as a vital defense line against extreme weather phenomena. Preserving the forests and biodiversity in this area can help minimize the risk for future disasters. Please leave your discussion comments below the video comments section. Thank you very much for your keen interest, follow-up, and enthusiastic support. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. For now, we say goodbye and look forward to seeing you in our next videos. Wishing everyone a warm day with your family.